Have you been noticing how these hard shake edits are going viral lately? If you've been wanting to create similar edits but don't know where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm sharing a complete hard zoom shake edit XML that you can use right away in Alight Motion. This pack includes everything you need to create a powerful, eye-catching edit that has the potential to go viral. With this XML, even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to complete your edit easily and professionally. So watch the full video, grab the XML, and start creating your own viral edits today. And if this video gets 500 likes, I will also provide text of this edits on my Telegram channel. Now, without wasting any time, let's see the edits.
If you three were up against the...
You can watch full edits with song on my Instagram channel.
Yeah, wait. Have you... Yes, If you three were up against the three spider... See my what? Her legs. Her legs.
Hope you liked the video. If you want tutorial of this edits complete 1,000 likes. And if this video reached 200 comments, I will provide full Alight link of this edits. You can access this edits XML from my Telegram channel, link in description. If you have any problem, you can ask me in comment box. Until then, take care.